Did you accidentally delete a page or overwrite notes in OneNote? I will show you how to recover any version and see all recent edits. That sinking feeling when your important notes vanish, we have all been there. But here is the good news. OneNote actually keeps a pretty detailed history of everything you do. You just need to know where to look. We will cover 3 methods: viewing past page versions, checking recent edits, and restoring deleted notes from the recycle bin. So let us jump right in. Start with the first method, viewing past page versions. This is your best bet if you accidentally deleted or overwrote text. OneNote automatically saves older versions of your pages, so nothing is really gone. Open your notebook and navigate to the page you want to check. Just click on that page in the sidebar. Now, look up at the top of the window and click on the History tab. From there, click on Page Versions. And here is the really important part. Older versions of the page will appear in a list on the right side. You will see a small timestamp next to each one. Click on a version to view it and verify it has the content you need. To restore it, look at the notification bar that appears at the top of the page. Click that and select Restore Version. OneNote will bring back that older version and add it right on top. So now that we have got that set up, let us move on to checking recent edits. If you are working in a shared notebook or just want to track what you changed recently, the Recent Edits feature is perfect. Again, go to the History tab. Click the Recent Edits dropdown. You will see options like Today, Yesterday, Last 7 days, or Last 30 days. Choose whichever time frame makes sense for what you are looking for. A pane will open on the right side of the screen displaying all the modified pages within that time frame. Clicking on any item will take you directly to the changed notes. This is incredibly handy when you are collaborating with a team and need to see who changed what and when. Now for restoring deleted notes. This one works a little differently because it is only available in the web version of OneNote. So if you are using the desktop app, you might need to open your notebook in a browser for this step. Go to the View tab at the top. Then click on Deleted Notes. This opens up a special section that acts like a recycle bin. Right-click the deleted page or section you want to recover. Then choose Move or Copy to place it back into your notebook. You can select exactly where you want it to go. Alright, let us wrap this up. So now you have 3 solid ways to recover your notes in OneNote. Whether you need to roll back to a previous page version, track recent edits in a shared notebook, or fish something out of the recycle bin, you are fully covered. No more panic over lost notes, just confident, quick recovery. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.